Paying with Venmo on Walmart online is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can pay with Venmo on Walmart online. So suppose we are at Walmart online and we want to buy any of the product. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add it to my cart. What it will do is it will add this product into my cart. So I just have to go to my cart, and there you guys will be able to see all the products that I added. And now here you just have to go to this continue to checkout, and now it will want you to put all the remaining information. So you just need to add the whole information, and here you in payment methods you will be able to see a payment method for credit or debit card. So what you have to do is you just have to go to Venmo. If you don't currently have any of your Venmo's credit or debit card, you can easily apply for your credit card in Venmo's application, and this is how the card should look like. So you just need to put the whole information from your card to this payment method, and you will be able to pay for your products that you buy at Walmart online using Venmo. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Venmo to pay for your Walmart online product. Hope you guys find this video helpful.